Hello guys, today I am with my SUV Scorpio S10 and in today's video I am going to show you some feature of cruise control, how to use the cruise control. So first there are some terms and conditions. Your RPM should be above 1200 and the gear should not be reverse first second. The gear should be third, fourth, fifth and the speed must be 25 above. So just see it. So guys, हम लोग आ गए अपनी लोकेशन पर और ये रही मेरी स्कॉर्पियो S10. तो हम लोग शुरू करना चाहते हैं ये क्रूज कंट्रोल का फीचर, हाउ टू यूज इट. You have to push this button, the set plus button, when you are driving, and when you don't you want to use the cruise system, so please you can close it by using your brake. Keep your leg on the brake and keep your leg on the clutch. The cruise will not work. And see how I am doing it. My speed is 25 above and the RPM is 2000. So now what I have to do is I have to just simply click this set plus button and you will see this. And now I have just see this. I am not using my accelerator and my car is running. See the cruise side over here. Your speed should be must above 25 and the acceleration might be above 1200. So that's all for today's video. Please subscribe to my channel.